Monday the 12th of April. Monday the 12th of April. Monday the 12th of April. What is he talking about? Hello, my name is Scott. Welcome back to 2-Day Pass. And yes, it seems that all driving test centres are going to reopen on Monday the 12th of April. Monday the 12th of April. So that's some really good news. Now, there's probably a lot of you that are still going to be like, well, is that for sure? Do we know what's happening with the extension to the theory test? So let me just clarify a little bit. So at the moment, the source that is super reliable has shared this information and told me Monday the 12th of April, all driving test centres are going to reopen. I'm so happy to hear that. Now, if you do have a theory test that's due to expire, then you might be in luck. So in the description below, if you're not aware of this, to anybody that this is new information, there is a petition running to extending the theory test, and I've probably lost about half the viewers now. If you're still watching, then the link is in the description, and the petition has reached over 65,000 signatures. It needs 100,000 signatures for Parliament to reconsider whether they're going to actually extend the theory test. Now, if you're aware that there was a debate about the extension to the theory test already in the House of Commons, link to the video coming up there. So if you want to go to sleep early, watch that video. Very exciting. Yeah. So it's been debated, but they're basically saying no. However, you never know. Let's not give up hope. Let's still encourage people to sign this petition. Hooray! And if it receives 100,000 signatures, then Parliament has to have another look at whether they're going to extend the theory test or not. If this video has been of any relief to you and made you feel a little bit more happier about your situation, leave a thumbs up. If it hasn't, then I apologize for that. I'm just a bringer of news, so please still give me a thumbs up. And consider subscribing, dinging the bell. I've been Scott. This is 2-Day Pass. Stay safe, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.